So in this video, we're going to talk about scale factor. And scale factor is something that you find when you've been working with similar figures or proportional things. So the scale is simply the ratio between two sets of measurements. And then the scale factor is the ratio used to enlarge or reduce similar figures. So let's look at an example. On a map of Florida, the distance between two cities is 10.5 centimeters. Okay. What is the actual distance between them if the scale is 3 centimeters to 80 miles? So to solve things using a scale or scale factor, we want to set up a proportion. So we know we have 3 centimeters to 80 miles. So when we go to set up the other side of our proportion, we want to put our centimeters on top. And down here we're going to find our distance in miles. That's the important part about using a scale factor and a scale that people sometimes mess up. Whatever units you have up top on one side, you need to have up top on the other side. So now we can solve this just like we do any other proportion. Cross multiply 80 times 10.5 and 3 times x so that you have 3x equals 10.5 times 80. Then you're going to divide that by 3 to find your x value. And in this case, we find out that the actual distance between two cities in Florida is 280 miles. Okay, let's look at another example. Whoop, got it upside down. Alright, so a model house is 16 centimeters wide. If it was built with a scale of 4 centimeters to 15 feet, how wide is the actual house? So here again is our scale, 4 centimeters to 15 feet. I have centimeters on top here, so I'm going to set it equal to centimeters over there. So centimeters to feet equals centimeters to feet. And again, I'm going to cross multiply, just like I do in a proportion, regular proportion. 15 times 16 equals 4x. So when I multiply 15 times 16, I get 240 equals 4x. Then when I divide both sides by 4, I find out that x equals 60 feet. So our answer is that the actual house is 60 feet wide. Now in your notes you have several more examples. I'd like you to work those and bring them to class tomorrow.